son of a bitch. You know,
Got a
fucking
big-
hurry, fuck you.
Shh. They got a big accident there. Oh my gosh, that's semi. That's a semi. Upside down. Whoa. That's bad.
We ain't gonna go this way on the way back.
Look at all the traffic because of the accident.
Let's see if this joint's open. A lot of years.
So we're gonna try the golden buffet, Chinese golden buffet. Are they open?
I think so.
Should try that fish, Dale.
Don't worry, I'm going back.
You know, if we went to Burger King, we'd probably about spend almost the same. I got that steamed fish right there. And I got the soup right there. And I got the steamed fish. Chicken with broccoli. You don't get that much, sir. You got sushi and green beans.
Don't worry, I'm going back.
He said he's going back, guys. So let's eat, guys. Eat, eat, eat. This is good. The fish. I don't hardly see any shrimp.
Sorry.
The one in Greenville is better. They're watching us eating.
So?
I don't know how to use a chopstick. Oops. It's sliding. First time I don't know how to use chopstick. It's not very warm. It's not very warm. Who did you call?
Hmm?
He was on the phone there for a while. Who did you call?
Nobody. When? When was it home?
Yeah.
I had an offer for less money on my electric bill.
Don't do that because you're fixed on that for so many years. You
It's a
got,
price guarantee for so long, I think.
yeah, you got a penalty if you move.
Well, besides that, the offer they give me was more kilowatt per hour than what I'm already got.
Oh,
It wasn't a good deal.
who was it?
I was somebody new.
You know there's imitation crab.
I don't care.
You don't hardly see them in the store anymore. So, well, I hope our electric bill is not going up that big like everybody was saying.
Well, it did go up, but not too much.
Yeah. That was a. Did you see that? That was a big semi truck fell over. You think the wind causes that?
No, it could have been something. I don't know.
I think what it is, he was turning too sharp and it's windy.
Could have been a big gust of wind knocked him over, Emma.
Poor thing. I hope he's all right. And this is the rush hour.
Exactly.
We got plenty of time. She said she don't get off work until 4:30. Be home. So
What the hell are we going to do with all that time? It's only 3 o'clock.
I'll be okay. We just gotta sit down here for a while. I didn't know. I thought it took me a long time to go to Walmart. Look like Buddy's get what he wants today. He really likes it when he's outside. I don't think this place is pretty well known.
Might be just new.
You don't want to go over there, the one over there behind Staples.
I didn't know they had one there.
That's where we had that when Rosie and I got together.
Oh. I'm not interested.
No, you don't want either. I got a hot and sour soup because I feel cold. You know, when you're cold, soup is really good. Warm you up. So this is it right here, guys. Hot and sour soup. Gail is getting something there. I like my steamed fish. The soup is not very warm, but it's okay, I guess. we're in between lunch and dinner. That's why nobody hardly here. But the food is good.
I got a plate full that time.
So that's Dale's second plate. That looks good, Dale. You got about everything there.
Mm-hmm.
You got a potatoes, barbecue chicken, and some sushi,
Mm-hmm.
chicken with broccoli. See, it's good, Dale.
Mm.
Very good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna go get me another one then. I'll probably bring me my dessert also. Did you see that thing I posted on Facebook about the chocolate?
No.
I said I was gonna get one, but they were all gone. I said, I wonder who's eating all of them. And when did he eat them? All right, I'll go get me another plate. So I got me a second plate. So you're gonna get back for dessert?
Yeah, probably.
You got cookies on this side. You got chocolate chips. See, Dale, if I didn't ask about that lunch menu, we don't get it. I thought you had egg soup. Is that called egg soup?
Egg drop.
Egg drop soup? I got the hot and sour.
I mixed it.
Mm. Saturday I gotta go out. We got that Mama and Mary prayer there in Troy. But I gotta meet the girls there at Home Depot in Piqua. Oh guys, it fell off. So guys, that's my dessert right there. So I'm done eating. Now I'm gonna have my dessert. That look good?
Yeah.
And that's Dale's dessert right there. We got ice cream, chocolate chip cookies, and a little bit of apple pie.
Mm-hmm.
And that's mine right there. a lot of fruit, apple pie, and sesame balls. Now it's time to eat my dessert. You ever try this, Dale?
Yeah, I don't know.
Sesame balls.
Mm.
You got inside in there. It's really good. Mm. Super delicious. Mm. The grape is a little bit sour. You didn't hear that when Bud knocked in the door last night? He did it twice. I kind of ignored it. The second time, he knocked and then walked away. Then I called him.
Mm.
So go to sit down there.
I'll sit down there.
So we just got home. And I got all the package today. And on the way there, we had that accident. Wonder how I didn't see that driver on that semi that went upside down.
Well, he had a seatbelt on. He's fine.
That was a bad accident, wasn't it?
Well, it was bad for him. As a semi driver, it turned over sideways.
But nobody involved but himself.
Just him.
Well, that's good.
Maybe he had a medical emergency or something. He had something happen to him. I don't know.
I think that wind gust got something to do with it.
The wind probably might have been what done that. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, on the way there in town today, there was a big accident. Semi went upside down.
It was just a semi, nobody else.
Yeah, that's good. So from there we went to town and then we got something to eat. Now we're home and safe.
Yeah.
And what are you doing? Watching TV?
Yeah, I'm watching Lester Holt.
All right, guys. Thank you much for watching, and I'm glad that Dale come over here and say bye to you guys. And say bye, Dale. See something.
Goodbye. I got yogurt and blueberries to eat. See you later.
All right. So thank you guys for watching, and please take care of yourself and each other. And hope to see you soon. Bye for now.